guys, so we're coming to you today with a tutorial on Lizzy's hair. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button so you can be notified each time we post a video. So we're starting on freshly washed and conditioned hair. You want to go through as usual, put in your leave-in conditioner and detangle. So I have sectioned off the front half from the back. So I'm just detangling the front half. I think I'm going to do both sides first, putting in the leave-in conditioner and just getting the detangling done before I start on the back.
You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
So once I get the front detangled, I just go to the back and basically just do what I do with a wash and go. You can click the link to see how we do wash and go. So that's basically what the back is doing, just defining the curls, and I'm going to blow dry it to set the curls before starting on the front. So after the back is done and I blow dry the curls and they're set, I go to the front and I'm going to blow dry the front. I'm using a very cool low heat to blow dry the front, and that just makes it easier when I corn roll the front. It doesn't get tangled, you know, when I'm trying to corn roll it, which is basically one big corn roll, but I don't want it to get tangled up as I'm doing it.
You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it.
So you do the same thing to the other side, corn roll it. Once it's corn rolled, you want to create, you want to separate about an inch or so section of hair to do for your braid. And you kind of just want to fold that back and clip it away from the front, and then you make your part in the front however you want to do, whichever side you want to do. If you want it down the middle, that's up to you. This is also when once you get it separated, is where you would split down your edges or lay your edges if you wanted to. You can do it before or after, whichever works for you. For Lizzy, we just kind of just move the back. And so we're just going to make sure all the tangles are out and just start braiding.
I know you worry about the bitches fan shows, but you was original, hands on in. I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good.
So you want to start at the very inner corner and braid, and you do want the braid to go along the forehead, but just slightly going back away from the forehead as you braid, and then kind of just curve it around.
My life's when the sunset, twilight shit. I ain't moving, I'm a lie like this.
So when I get toward the end, I'm just going to saturate it with water again to rehydrate it, and just, you know, take off the excess with a towel. I'm going to put some Main Choice gel on it and just create a spiral with the Denman brush, and that's kind of just that's the way we lock her in.
That's good, cause I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm good. Good evening, I'm good.
get those braids done, I kind of just separate that little band that's going to be the headband. I kind of just separate it into 3 so that I can pull those 2 braids back, and I just clip them over her hair that's in the back, just to kind of hold them there, and then I will start to cornrow the headband from one ear to the other. Lizzy's hair, I did a braid. On my hair, I did a flat twist. You can do it vice versa. I think this will look pretty on her hair as well with a flat twist, and you know, it could be looser, but I just wanted to do a braid just to make the hairstyle similar but a little bit different. Fold it up. I didn't put that part in, but just fold it up and put it in with a bobby pin. You see it there, and then you just you know, I'm just smoothing down the back, and then I'm just going to take those pieces and connect them and tie them with a rubber band. I really love this style on her hair as well. I just thought it was a beautiful style. We got lots of compliments on our hair that day, and she even was saying how her teachers were giving her compliments at school on her hair. So it's just a really cute style. So there you go, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you find use for this style. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll see you in the next video.